welcome to the nut house. We got Jurassic World. Well, we got the T-Rex, and there's little tiny dinosaur being catched by the T-Rex, and we'll show you the back of it. We got the T-Rex again, and that tiny dinosaur again, and all the dinosaurs you could collect. We got Blue's blood. That's blood. His, hers, his. And we also have, he also has blood. So, let's get started. So first, my dad's gonna help me cut off this. And I took off the tape right there, so don't worry about that. And now, first, we're gonna get the bottom now. Right, Dad?
Yeah.
Now, we also need to get the tail out easily so the mouth is open. And also, it says go on your phone app, get some nice stuff. And then, here we go. So, let's go and flip the bottom. And so, here we have it. The T-Rex. Oh, it's way 80 tall, better than this guy. Like it can jump and kick. So, when it stomps, it gets out the footprint. And look at these giant big feet. My feet is bigger. What? The acting, the eyes are on side, and the mouth opens, and the tail wags, and its head go wag. It could turn its head to side to side. So is it nice?
Yeah, it's good.
But Dad.
And on top we have this button here. You push that.
Roar! Yeah, that's a growling action.
And it's, he's got some blood marks, some claw marks on him too.
And there's also blood on his chin.
Oh yeah? Let's check that out.
And there's also blood there. So I'm gonna show you. Look.
Yeah?
There's
yeah.
blood. And he's angry.
Oh. Okay, let's see the next one. What do we got here, Don?
We got a Pegasus. I think what's called. Yep, that's called a Pegasus dinosaur.
Is his mouth open and stuff?
Yep, that's the open and
ooh,
blood.
Gross blood.
Actually, it's hard. The T-Rex just sticks its heart out and eats the heart. Okay, there's no other things to do.
Okay, alright. Here you go.
Thanks. Thanks for watching. Comment down below if you like our video.